This is how we're going to find the leak. Got a leak inside, about 3-4 feet up, about a foot over, and another one over about a foot and a half, and about 3 feet up, a little less than the other one. Now what I got is my hose running in there, and you'll notice when this fills up, water can go all kinds of places because it's coming in at the bottom of the channels too. Here's one. It'll be leaking out of there. Yep. And you can see it leaking out of the other one. And this is all step flashed. But I have a leak somewhere up in here. I should have brought my, starting to rain, I'm going to have to get out of here, but that's how you find it. When you go inside, see, watch the other end of the video, you'll see. All right, we were looking for a leak, and there it is. I got the water running outside. We're about, what, about a foot and a half? About a foot off of the gable. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boards up. And that's what a leak looks like. That's really a pretty good leak. Oh, do I have another one? Can you hear the water? Oh, I got one over here too. Right there. That's about 2 feet off of the... Can you see it? That's about a foot down and about 10 inches over. So we got 2 leaks, and they're pretty substantial leaks. And this was the roof put on by Sun Roofing. Shingle roof. Let's go upstairs, see if we can see anything.